Looking at the quadratic equation, this is the introduction. So let's say sketch the graphs of the following, stating the maximum or the minimum coordinates. So like in this case, what I'm going to do is, we want to sketch the graph. But before you can sketch the graph, first you have to look at when y is equals to 0. So when y equal to 0, your x equals to 0. Your 4 minus x equals to 0. So your x is equals to 4. Now these are the two coordinates here where it cuts the x-axis, right? So that means if you sketch the graph roughly, you know that it is intersecting at, okay, this is x here and this is y. X equal to 0, so it intersects here 0 and say somewhere here is 4. So these are the 2 points. So either the graph will go this way or the other way, this way. So one of it, so we don't know which way, right? Now let's see how to check. So this is the line here, this is a 2. 2 is a midpoint of between 0 and this 4, right? This is symmetrical here. You don't need to write down there, but it didn't say. So usually for quadratic equation, we are referring to quadratic equation, it is symmetrical. So you check when x equals to 2, y is equals to, you substitute there 2, that means I'm substituting here 2, and then 4 minus 2, 2, so equals to 4. So the coordinate is 2, 4. So 2, 4 is somewhere here. Okay, let's say this is 4 here. So this is the coordinate 2, 4. That means your graph passes through 0, 0 and then 2, 4 and then 4, 0. Okay, this is the graph. So here the question asks you what is the maximum or the minimum coordinate. So here is a maximum coordinate. This way is a maximum coordinate. So here the maximum coordinate is 2, 4. Now here they give you x is a member or real number. This one is the domain. Alright, so the domain is x is a member of real number. So what will be the range if you are looking for that? They didn't ask, but never mind, just for our own discussion, the range is what is the highest value of y? Highest value of y is 4, lowest is it goes up to negative infinity. So y is less than or equals to 4. That's the meaning. Okay, the next part. Here we are given x is between negative 6 and 4. So you don't need to draw the whole thing. So first, it doesn't matter whatever it is. Let's say we put y equal to 0. So your x is equals to 2. X equals to negative 6. This is based on x minus 2 and x plus 6 here. So here your graph will be, a rough idea will be, x is 2, so somewhere here 2, and then negative 6, so let's say somewhere here negative 6, here will be negative 2, and this is 0 here. So the next thing is, again as usual, like just now the midpoint. Where is the midpoint? The midpoint is negative 6 plus 2 divided by 2. So negative 4 over 2, so negative 2. So x equals to negative 2 is this point here. So when x is equals to negative 2, your y is equals to, so you substitute into this, well, the equation there. So you get negative 4. And here will be negative 2 plus 6, you will get 4. So you have negative 16. So negative 16 is, so I am not doing with the scale, so this is negative 16. So now we have the graph something like this already. Okay. So you have to draw from negative 6 to 4 only. So negative 6, okay, this part is okay, settle it. Check again when x equal to 0, y equals to, what is a y? Y is equals to 0. 0 minus 2 is negative 2 and 0 plus 6, so there is 6 So equals to negative 12. So it cuts at negative 12. Right? So it goes like that. They want you to draw up to 4 only. So now we have to test one more coordinate. That is when x equals to 4, your y is equals to, substitute the 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is equals to 20. Oh, that's very high. Huh? So 20 is somewhere here. Okay, let's say 4 here. So this is 20. Okay, so this is y-axis and that is your x-axis. So this is the value here. That means this coordinate is 4, 20 here. So if this is the case here, what is the range? That means the smallest value here will be negative 16. Negative 16. Highest value here is 20. So this 20 here. Okay, this will be the range if the question asks you for a range. Alright. Okay, for part C, here before we can do this question, what we do is we factorize it first. So y is equals to, so x minus 4, x plus 1. So when y is equals to 0, your x is equals to 4, x is equals to negative 1. Now you're only interested for x is bigger or equal to 0. Anyway, what you do, you have to draw the graph for x equals to 1 also. Let's see what happens. Let's say this is x here and this is y. X equals to 4, so it intersects somewhere here, and this is negative 1. So these are the two important points. And then the midpoint here will be x is equals to negative 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So 3 over 2. So when x equal to 3 over 2, y is equals to, either you can substitute here or you can substitute inside here. So you get 3 over 2 minus 4. Now what do you get? You get negative 5 over 2. You can use the calculator to check. And then this one also 5 over 2, which is equals to negative 25 over 4. So 3 over 2 is somewhere here. Negative 25 over 4. Negative 25 over 4 is here. So actually your graph will be something like this kind of pattern. But because your x is bigger equal to 0, they want you to, your domain is given as x is bigger equal to 0. So what you do is when x is 0, y is equals to, you substitute here 0 minus 0, the minus, so negative 4. 0, negative 4. So 0, negative 4 is somewhere here, negative 4. Alright. So that means your graph will go in this way, all the way like that. Okay. What will be the range here? Range will be y is, what's the smallest value here? Negative 25 over 4. So bigger or equals to negative 25 over 4. That will be the range. But this is the graph you have to sketch. Alright. For more videos, you can WhatsApp me at 016 2111 470. Bye.